G'day guys, let's say you've got a Samsung Galaxy S series phone, you've damaged the display and you want to get the information. With the phone, one of these gadgets, which is Type-C to HDMI and USB, and a TV and a keyboard, we should still be able to get into this phone. So if you can see we have life and we're at a lock screen. Good luck trying to type that password in, you're not going to get anywhere. What we should be able to do is plug this adapter in. We'll leave the HDMI out for the minute, but we'll plug the keyboard in. So my keyboard just lit up, number lock's working, lock screen. What I should be able to do is type into the passcode of this phone, which is, once it's lit up, 5822, enter. 5822, enter. Now it may take a few tries if I close it, wake it up, 5822, enter. No, it doesn't want to do it this time. But we should be able to eventually get to the stage where we could actually type that passcode in. So I'll hit power, 5, make sure number lock's on, 5822, enter. There we go. So that just unlocked it. So what I did there was I pressed number pad and typed it on there and hit enter over there. So it may take you a few tries to get it, but once we're at that screen and we're unlocked, we should be able to plug in HDMI. Screen's gone black. It's going to load up Samsung Dex. And you can either follow through with Samsung Dex or just simply hit escape. And then from there, we should be seeing the phone. So if I go into, if it lets me, if the phone lets me go into settings, I can demonstrate that. You can also connect up a mouse now and be able to fully interact with your phone. What I'll use is a Logitech cordless keyboard and mouse. I'll plug that into here. Try and plug it into there. One-handed. Unplug that one. Plug that in. Grab this keyboard instead. From here, you can see we're in the iPhone. I have the mouse over here. But the initial unlocking of that passcode is going to take a few tries to be able to do it. Maybe I'll go first try, but you're definitely going to need one of these gadgets here, which I'll leave a link in the description below on a Aliaffilate link to purchase one of those, or we could have a bit of a look on Amazon to also purchase one. Hope that helps you get into your damaged Samsung Galaxy S phone. Do note it does not work on the A series. That will do. Bye.